Now, OpenAI claims that they now have 800 million weekly ChatGPT users, up from 100 million in 2023. That would be an X8 growth in 2 years. Now, API usage jumped from 200 million tokens per minute to 6 billion tokens, and developer count doubled to 4 million. So these are the big numbers that I think are the most impressive things that Sam Altman has to tout. Now, here's what they didn't mention. Their revenue only grew 16% in the first half of 2025, making it 4.3 billion. So let's talk about that a little bit. If you have an X8 user growth, right, and only 16%, revenue growth, that would signal a problem. If you have X8 the users, but the revenue barely moved, either your monetization is broken or those user numbers are inflated. I'm going to go a little bit on both, actually. After building products for a long time, I've learned that companies love to tout vanity metrics when the business metrics don't look good. They're touting these 8 million user growth, but what's going to happen when it hits summer and all the students leave? Because they know, as we've seen before and talked about before, that's a huge amount of their users. Now, the real question is how many of those 800 million weekly users are actually paying customers versus people trying it once and never coming back? Now, before we dive too deep in this today, the best compliment you can give me is to leave a comment down below because, have you been using ChatGPT more or less? Have you used it before but moved to other platforms? Tell me what your use cases are. I personally tried ChatGPT for the first time and then bounced off of it really quick as soon as I learned anything about OpenAI, but I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Now, of course, the next big announcement was apps inside of ChatGPT, and they announced that ChatGPT can now run apps directly inside the chat interface, integrating Canva, Coursera, Figma, Spotify, and Zillow Expedia. They're launching an apps SDK built on the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, so developers can build custom apps for ChatGPT. Now, this sounds convenient until you realize what's really happening. OpenAI is trying to become the operating system for AI interactions. They want you to build your entire application inside their walled garden. And if you think this was bad working with Apple, man, try working with these guys. So they'll control the rules, they control the pricing, and they also get all your data. I've watched platform companies pull this move for a long time. First, they invite you to build, then they change the terms once you're locked in. So remember when everyone built businesses on Facebook's platform, then Facebook changed the algorithm and destroyed their traffic overnight? Yeah, you're going to see even worse case scenarios here. Now, OpenAI launched AgentKit, which they're calling a complete set of building blocks for creating production-grade AI agents. Now, it includes Agent Builder, a visual drag-and-drop interface, ChatKit, which is an embeddable chat, and a Vals, which is testing tools, and a connector registry for data sources. Now, Sam Altman demoed building an agent in minutes on stage, making it look effortless and magical. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here because we've got lots more for you today.